Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing the medkit and placing it where you can reach it fast. This reduces panic in fights. Once the medkit is in a hotkey slot, make sure you know the bind and your current HP and bleed icons. You want to use it proactively when health drops below about 50% or when bleeding appears, because delay wastes time and risks death. Now, move to cover so you can safely apply the item without interruption. You move into cover and press the medkit hotkey to begin application. This is where timing matters most. If the medkit has a channel or hold requirement, keep holding until the animation completes, because partial use often fails to stop bleeding or restore full HP. Make sure to watch your character's movement and the progress bar, and re-equip a weapon after finishing. If enemies force you out early, prioritize interrupting only when you can reach another safe spot fast. Once done, you immediately check your HUD to confirm HP and bleeding are resolved. If not, apply another medkit or bandage as needed. Make sure to replace the used medkit from your pack or loot nearby supply points so you're ready for the next encounter. If the medkit fails or the animation cancels, return to cover, re-equip the medkit, and attempt the use again while minimizing movement. This fixes most interruption issues quickly and keeps you alive longer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.